Alright, this is something that you probably never thought I would buy, but I actually have an interesting story about this. I remember seeing these a few years ago at various places. I think I saw one of these at Kmart, but that was long ago. And then when I was at Ollie's last week, I decided, you know what, I'm going to pull the trigger and buy it. Because, I don't have anything against Holmes fans. And the Blizzard, I had the little Blizzard oscillating desk fan that you saw some videos ago, about a couple years ago, and that's pretty cool. And to prove that I did buy it at Ollie's, for a little price of $14.99, about $15. So yeah, and before I forget, it's an HANF76BLZ07. Long ass model number. But yeah, we got the Blizzard Power. Advanced blade system delivers maximum airflow. Wall mountable, which will probably be good for when we decide to get a better place and with a better bathroom. 2-speed settings, select your level of comfort. Yeah, you got a lot of choices there. And you can also tilt it like a hassock and wall mount it. And that's how it looks. So I'm going to take it out of the box. We're going to check it out. There it is. And there it is out of the box. Doesn't go any lower, and it's 90 degrees of adjustment. There's a switch. And there's the holes for this to mount on the wall. And here's the informations. I'm not going to go there, but you know what it is, so what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up, we're going to give it a go. And before I forget, it's got the fuse plug, and I double checked, it runs on 0.4 of an amp, so switch on, put it on amp, and here's high. Probably needs to give us time to warm up. Can we go any faster? No? Okay. And when I turn it on, it started at 0.41 and it's going down, so just need a little bit of time to warm up. Now it's 3800 and the box is 31. Got the low speed. About 25 watts and 3100ths of an amp. Back to high. Check the spin down time now. I mean, I guess in a pinch for like a small cubicle or something, it might work. But like I said, this will probably end up going to the bathroom for like the circulating FAEN. Who knows? Alright, that's going to do it for this video of this little Holmes little Blizzard Jr. pivot desk fan wall mount thing. As it's upside down again, model HANF76BLZ. I mean, the idea is there. I mean, if I didn't show you the back, it's kind of cheesy. I mean, and the motor is kind of a little dinky C-frame motor. It's supposed to be energy efficient, but in my opinion, it blows air but makes more noise. But what I need it for, it ain't gonna matter if it makes noise or whatever, because it's just gonna end up being like a, hell, it could actually be the fan used in the shop bathroom. Who knows? So that, I'll figure something to do with this later. So I guess for next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. Comic Box.